Hi, Joe here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Ocoya's link shortener Jubbly. So first let's navigate to my content. I created this image earlier, so let's add a caption. And I created this text earlier. So we're in the caption editor. We want to add a link. I have a particularly long YouTube link. Let's just show you by pasting here, as you can see, and we have this toggle on the right here, and if we just select that, as you can see, it automatically gets shortened. Let's just show you one more time. Untoggle, toggle. So that's a really cool way of doing it, and you know, you can add multiple links. Let me just show you. So if we untoggle, and if you have multiple links, both will be shortened. So once you're finished and you've shortened your link, simply click save. We can go to this link, of course, and as you can see, here's our walkthrough with a little advert. So that's one way you can shorten links with Ocoya. If you go to my content as well, we also have a dedicated area for link shorteners, where you can do bulk or single links. So let's just do one link for now. We also have the option to generate a QR code, so let's keep that selected. As you can see, one link has been shortened. If we do it in bulk, so these are all Ocoya's socials. If we hit shorten, make sure they're each on one line. If we hit shorten, there you can see links that have been shortened with QR codes for each one of those. So that was just a quick video to show you how to use Jubbly. Quite straightforward and intuitive. I hope it was helpful, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.